Start by clicking on Insert in the top navigation. From there, click on Picture, then select this device. This allows you to upload your letterhead image from your computer. Locate your letterhead file, select it, and upload it into the document. Once the image is inserted, right-click on the letterhead and choose Size and Position. Under the Scale section, set the height to 100%. Make sure the width is also set to 100%, so the letterhead fits the page correctly and fills the entire width without distortion. Next, click on Text Wrapping and select Behind Text. This step is important because it allows you to type your content over the letterhead while keeping the design fixed in place. After that, click on Position, then choose Alignment, and select Centered from the list. Look for the option labeled Relative to Page. Under the vertical alignment settings, click on Alignment and set it to top. Then make sure it is aligned to the page. Once everything is set, click OK. Your letterhead is now properly placed and ready to use. You can begin typing your document, and your text will appear cleanly over the letterhead, giving your file a professional and consistent look.